Hello, hope everybody is in the best of health. In this video, we'll be estimating how much does Hannah Barron make on her YouTube channel. To get some statistics on her channel, we'll be using Social Blade. Thus far, she has uploaded 129 videos and amassed a subscriber count of 320,000. And her video views to date is 49,932,411. And her channel was created back in May 10th, 2017. And to get an estimate of how much she is earning, we'll be using the YouTube money calculator. And we'll be estimating that her CPM is $4. And by the way, the CPM stands for cost per 1,000 views. And this is the amount of money that a YouTuber gets paid for every 1,000 views that a video gets. But the CPM tends to fluctuate, as it can go from anywhere from $1 to up to $10 or $20 or even more, as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, how long does a viewer end up watching an ad for, and also if the viewer ends up clicking on the ad. But with an estimated CPM of $4 and her daily view count being 70,500, she'll be earning $282 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%, leaving her with $155, and for the month she'll be earning $4,653, and for the year $55,836.